Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection, back again with the newest news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you a video about all Elgato products. What a name, Elgato. Elgato. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna say the true opinion about all these products, what you should buy, what you should not buy. Is it worth the money or not? I'm gonna tell you my true opinion. You know guys, my channel, who subscribe, you know my channel, I never compliment anything and I never get money from any company or any products or no one support me. I don't need money from anyone and I will not change my opinion. I will always say the truth for you. I don't care about anything else, and I'm not slave for any company, not like other people. For example, if you hold iPhone or hold something, oh iPhone, whatever iPhone do shitty things, he will go pimp for company. As for me, they do something bad, I will go to Samsung do something bad, I will go even to Huawei, whatever. Anyway, let's talk quickly about these products. Let's start with, for example, let's start with the Elgato Wave 3 mic, which is mean it's here, as you guys see. Hello. Okay. Is it worth the money? I'm gonna say half, 50-50, which is mean, to be honest with you guys, I tried the HyperX mic. If you know about HyperX, okay? I tried in store. Here we have that I can pay, for example, $10. I can take it for 1 day, try it, and give guarantee your ID and like this, and you back it next day. Okay, you can 24 hours. I don't know all other countries have or no, but here in Europe we have like this. Anyway, honestly, I try HyperX. It sounds better even than this Elgato. He don't have the complication that Elgato have. And to be honest with you guys, I didn't see anything extra on Elgato Wave 3. I don't see anything that is wow, let you, all the options that you talk about, this copyrights, music and bullshit, I didn't see any of this. This is all bullshit. Let's listen. Ask someone, try. Don't look to these videos on YouTube that this Elgato products and they took money to say that this is nice product. They took everyone take money, every YouTuber take money to say, wow, how option, how cool. Bullshit, guys. I have software here, I have my Alienware, I set up everything is okay with me. I see the options. It's not covering copyrights. It's just that you can hear the sound. Are your audience? No, but if your audience or your viewers will hear the sound, YouTube directly will put for you the copyrights for the music, so it is not. Now, number two, about covering this option that they say, for example, when you speak loud, shout like this, it will mute it down. Any mic have this, HyperX have this option. It's not something, I mean, let's talk about the sound quality. Sound quality, to be honest with you, it's hard to set up this Elgato to OBS application already is not easy to deal with. OBS is a complicated program. And this one will make your life more complicated. You set up, you do have echo in your voice, you go filter echo, you have something else and you hear double sound, you go fix double sound, you hear. But when I try HyperX, and I'm not running to tell you go run HyperX or HyperX support me by any money. I'm telling you the truth. When I try HyperX, I didn't see any of this. So does it worth the money? Does it? Should you buy it? It's nothing special. All what they tell you, this gain bottoms and like this in HyperX, you have it even more extra. So is that for streamers, for games? I don't tell you, it's 50-50. It's like any other normal mic, Rode or it's about this HyperX. I recommend for you guys HyperX, to be honest with you. So about this filter, for pop filter like this, it's like normal filter. I mean, filter is filter. I mean, guys, crazy. What's this filter? Buy any normal filter with $15 or $10 is enough for your voice. I mean, he will not let you be Madonna or Michael Jackson tomorrow. It's when you will put it, your sound will not be Whitney Houston. It's filter. So should you buy it? And by the way, if you buy Elgato, you will buy this filter, but this filter doesn't install in any other kind of other shock mounts and mics, only with Elgato, the size. So it's extra. Shock mount, you do need shock mount, and in HyperX, it's, for example, when you buy another mic, it's have shock mount. I mean, what I like in HyperX is have pop filter inside and have shock mount. You can buy external pop filter for HyperX, and you will not reach the price just for mic in Elgato. So about shock mount is, I not say it's nice quality, yeah, I not say anything, but if you buy Elgato, sure you have to buy it, but if you not buy Elgato, so he's useless because he's just for Elgato size. It's not work with any other mic. About stream disc, about this one. Okay, actually his stream deck, not disc, because it's dicky, you know. Okay, about this stream deck, listen to me. It's nice that you can put shortcuts of some things, but who need this? You know, you can put GIF, you know, and you can put videos as to make them as shortcut, but you will fuck your brain. Let's be, I mean, from the better you buy Go XLR and make it by yourself, because this one is not saving time. Listen to me. When you watch this Elgato fat guy in the video, hello guys, with his big abdominal, hi guys, and it's easy to do like this, easy to do like this. This is bullshit. I don't know. I wish to tell him. I wish that he hear my video now. Why you lie about people? Why you show that everything is just easy? You do like this, like that. Even his videos is stupid videos. He doesn't explain well to people. For example, I buy this product. I don't know anything about it. Why don't you explain video step by step everything? What does it mean? No. He make video like he talk to professionals. You know, go like this, act like this. Now you have Jeff. Now you have. What's this? Even they don't have videos in Elgato how to show how to set up Elgato with OBS, how to set up this with this, how to set up this with OBS. Discover by yourself. The most important, we sell, and we got this, and you go discover by yourself everything. People doesn't have mind and time for going discover behind the world of Elgato. He will learn UPS, or he will stream, or he will gaming, or he will do his videos, or he will learn about your products. People doesn't have time, or who go to his work, or he will take care of his family. How much time we have in 24 hours? I can't understand. I'm talking honest. I'm not complimenting anyone. Who doesn't like my channel, press this X up there. I'm not ask you to stay. I'm just telling you the honest opinion. You have to accept it. This Elgato Stream Desk, I'm telling you, it's nice, but to add these shortcuts and let it be work in OBS or let it be work generally is not easy. Shortcut for website and YouTube and like this is not, why I need it even. What I'm invalid, I can't go to YouTube right in 1 second, or open YouTube, or put the icon on my desktop. Why I need it in bottom here. We talk about, for example, you add some fun videos for your stream OBS. It's not easy. You have to do, convert it, make it, put it, make it. It's headache. You can find videos, tutorials in YouTube, except Elgato video. He will show you how to make it, but it's not easy. It's need for this money. I mean, to be honest with you. Okay. Let's talk about this capture. This one is really nice. I not say anything. I'm an honest guy. Okay. This capture HD60 capture device. It's nice. You do need it. You can't do it without capture. You have to know. You can capture your videos and this without this device. And there's another capture device is more cheap than this Elgato. I mean, it's nothing special so much. There's another capture devices that they are not lagging and everything is nice. But let's say that this device is okay. I'm not saying it's good device. I will not say that it's bad or no. He capture nice and does not have lagging. But S Plus, focus about this. The Elgato HD60, he's lagging as hell. And you already shoot and you die, and he still not even bullet out in the video in recording. So the S, the bullet out, but you still not die. The S Plus is the nice one. This is the only successful one from. So the S, and without this one, don't buy it. Only S Plus. Okay. So this is about the this one. I will not throw the box because it's nice. Let's talk about the shock mount. Okay. Multi-mount and the multi-mount flex arm kit. This is completely, don't waste your money, okay? I'll show you now video. Here is the Elgato multi-mount. See, for example, how long it is, and here it's short. So why don't they make this that he can go? And why it's short? It's not reach everywhere. Only this flex arm kit, which means it's useless, to be honest with you. Okay, you see this video, okay? It's nothing special. First of all, to install it, to open and tight again and do. I didn't understand the mechanism of this. I open, it's not open. I close, it's not close. I didn't understand. I spent half day try to understand how is the mechanism of this thing, of this multi-mount. It's not working. Number two, The multi-mount is can go with you 2 meter long, but this flex arm kit is so short. Why I need multi-mount that he go 2 meter and flex arm kit like this size? And why do I need to spend over 150 euro on this, both including delivery? And in the end, it's nice quality, but it's not enough for you. For example, if you will tighten to table, you don't need to put the mic in your face like this that he will cover your face for video. You need it to be down like this. You need that he go for you down from here, you got me, that he will not cover your face. But like, or from there, for example, if you tighten to table in the end of your table, but like this way, he will not be enough space to reach you. He will be far away. So my advice for you, you know guys, this company called Rode, that they create mics and stand. There is so beautiful standard for mic or tripod, whatever you call it. This Rode, it's actually it's not cheap. Also, it's like maybe 70 euro or $100. I don't know exactly price, but honestly, I saw it in store here. It's nice quality. He's so long, you can extend it like this. You can grab it, you can push it away. See this one, look, it's heavy. See, you can't push it easy. See, it's look, see, it's stuck. If I will untighten it a little bit, that he will be easy to go and back, he will fall down. This mic will fall down. So it's heavy like this. Stay away from Elgato. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your time. So this is what was my opinion about these products. I don't compliment anything, and I say you everything. This arm kit, if they created so long, why they created so much short like this? What's the stupidness? If they created longer than this, so it will be useful for you. But extra, I'm telling you, it's not flexible to move up and down. See, I cannot move up and down. I would break it. You mean you will break this thing? It's not what you expect. You got me? So I advise you to buy normal standard or nice quality that you can handle like 2 kilo. If you would buy book filter and like or camera, whatever. So buy a nice brand, but don't spend too much like for Elgato. So this one, useless. This one is nice, but it's just standard like this high. You cannot grab it right and lift. You tighten it and that's it. So also, so from all this, I give this only 100% nice product. Only this. Only this. The rest of them, to be honest with you, don't waste your money and time for it. I mean, it's nothing special. So normal like any other products. Go buy for yourself HyperX mic. Buy normal filter with $10. HyperX already have shock mount for everything. Buy normal standard this Rode. There is standard called Rode. I don't know what says. I forget. Buy the standard Rode and download OBS if you want to work with OBS or any other program. If you want to stream YouTube and relax your ass and my ass also with you. So guys, this was my true opinion about all this Elgato stuff. I'm not saying for you this video that I just try it 1 week or no. I'm now over 1 month, day and night I spend with this Elgato stuff. In OBS here, there, I saw all option and I see that's nothing special. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again on another video with Hatem for Objection. Peace and love for everyone. And don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up and tell me what's your opinion about what I'm saying now. And be honest also, like I'm honest with you.